Hey, welcome back to another episode of Eric's Camping Adventures. Just to pick up where we left off last time, we were able to do a little bit of tiling, and at the end I hung the cabinet here just to get a little peek at how it would look and make me be a little more motivated to keep working on this thing. Still got a mess to clean up at the bottom, but as you come up, it just starts looking a little bit brighter. A little bit of paint on some of the walls right around where I had to install the cabinet. Didn't want to pull it out to paint. And we're going to work around the edge today and tile this side of the wall and just see how it looks. We'll see how far we get this weekend.
These wipes are some of the most effective cleaning wipes I've ever found. They're called tub of towels, and boy do they work.
So I have gone and purchased 3 more boxes of this, and we're just going to see how many we need. It'll give me a chance to make some mistakes and just see how far we get with this.
Making sure that surface is clean and smooth is pretty essential for the tiles to stick. I found that the cleaning with the tub of towels did not seem to interfere with the stickiness at all. In fact, quite the reverse maybe. It was hard to get these off once I really pressed them on. In this next section, I definitely made some kind of videography error, but let's just pretend that the waviness in the video is actually the heat waves, because it was getting really hot in the camper at this point.
So right now the vinyl tile is just adjacent to the shiplap ceiling, and I'm going to just trim that in to clean it up nice and neat.
I think that my camera was unstable while I was videoing this, and every time I moved or rocked the camper, it was just enough to set off the autofocus.
That's the first time I've tried to pretend I'm a miter saw. Let's go inside and see how this works out. It is starting to get pretty hot out, so even the air conditioning in the camper's having trouble keeping up, so I might be calling it quits here pretty soon.
So this is the trimmed in look. Every now and then I just got to go for a finishing touch so that I remain motivated to finish this thing up and move to the next level, and I do like how that finished look appears. As you get into my corner and look at my attempt to be a miter saw, it's not perfect, but it's okay.
Make sure you come back next time. We're going to clean up this bathroom and get all the debris out, pull out the hot water heater, remove the toilet, and we're going to bring this along the steps to right here. Come back next time.